Chanel. My cat trying to eat with a cone on her head. Chanel, she had it right like 2 seconds ago. There you go. Good girl. Drew, I think the bowls need to be higher. Coco does not like the cone. Oh. I'm so sorry. Say hi, Coco. Say hi to the people with the cone. Hi, Chanel. Oh, baby, you're so cute.
Yes, Coco, what's going on? Coco.
What did they do?
You make sure.
There we go. Cone on. You can get up now. She hates life. I don't think she likes the cone.
Yes, Coco, I'm trying to see if it's loosened for you. Yes.
She's gonna get out of it, Drew. She's got a teeny little head. No! Oh, poor baby. Honey, they got... Okay, where's my other cat? Where are you going? Chanel, that's the corner. They look like they